To set up Monday.com columns, start by logging into your Monday.com account and navigating to the board where you want to add columns. A board in Monday.com is a visual representation of your workflow, and columns are used to track and manage different aspects of your projects. The first step is to click on the plus icon at the top right corner of your board. This will open a menu where you can choose the type of column you want to add. Monday.com offers a variety of column types, including text, date, numbers, and more. Choose the column type that best fits your needs. For example, if you want to track the status of your tasks, you can add a status column. If you want to track the priority of your tasks, you can add a priority column. Once you have chosen the column type, give your column a name and click Add Column. You can also customize your column by adding additional settings, such as making the column required or adding a drop-down menu. To do this, click on the 3 dots at the top of your column and choose Edit Column. From here, you can add or remove settings as needed. Another key concept in setting up Monday.com columns is the use of column tags. Column tags allow you to categorize and filter your items based on specific criteria. For example, you can add a tag to your status column to indicate that a task is complete or pending. Best practices for setting up Monday.com columns include keeping your columns concise and relevant to your workflow. Avoid adding too many columns, as this can make your board cluttered and difficult to navigate. It is also a good idea to use consistent naming conventions and to use column tags to filter and categorize your items. By following these steps and best practices, you can set up effective Monday.com columns that help you track and manage your projects. Remember to choose the right column type, customize your column settings, and use column tags to categorize and filter your items. This will help you get the most out of your Monday.com account and streamline your workflow.